I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone! Hello Universe! It's me again. Shout out sa inyo mga best. Meron tayong upload videos, update. Naku po. Oh. Nakikita nyo guys kung ano yan. Naku. Talaga naman oh. So dahil dito, basahin natin para kompleto, detalyado. Okay? But before that guys, ito yung mga highlights oh. Ay, grabe. Matindi ito. Ayan oh. Oh. Opya. Dami niyan. Naku po. Grabe ano. Goes. Dami. Lugi na naman ang negosyo mga kababa. Sa totoo lang, lugi na naman ang negosyo ng mga guys ha. Yung mga smuggler. Ayan, para kompleto detalyado, basahin po natin. Sabi dito guys, BOC size 40.5 million worth of misdeclared vape products from China. Na naman, talaga itong mga Chekwa pasaway, no? Wow, grabe kayo ha. Antindi talaga itong mga Chekwa na ito, ano? Ang akala nila si Kanorba ang presidente, guys. Demonstrating its intensified campaign against smuggling. The Bureau of Customs, which is ang BOC, has seized 3 containers loaded with the misdeclared vape products and other regulated goods valued at 40.5 million at Manila International Container Port. Goes. Kung panahon ni Kanor yan, lusot yan kasi galing China. Lugi na naman ang negosyo ng mga Chekwa, mga kababayan. Ayan goes. Grabe. Antindi talaga mga kababayan. Ano ba yan? Ha? Lugi negosyo mga Chekwa, mga best. Ayan On July 31, sabi dito, BOC official led by the Assistant Commissioner Vincent Philip C. Maronella, Deputy Commissioner Romeo Alan R. Rosales, and District Collector Rizalino Jose C. Torralba conducted an inspection of the size shipments which originated from China. Agoy. Oy mga Chekwa, lugi negosyo, wala pera. Wala na pera, lugi negosyo. Yan, originated from China, sabi diyan mga kababayan, and were falsely declared as a kitchenware. Hold orders for the shipment were issued as early as January 2025. Following derogatory information received by the Custom Intelligence and Investigation Service, a 100% physical examination was conducted on July 14, 2025, which led to the discovery of 81,000 pieces of assorted vape products along with sacks of fully refined paraffin wax and other misdeclared item. Talagang lugi negosyo mga Chekwa. Akala nila si Digong pa ang Pangulo. Well, anyway guys, sabi nga natin, bantay sa lakay, itong mga Bureau of Customs natin, lalo na yung bagong commissioner, no? Talaga namang nagtatrabaho sila ng gusto. Maganda po yan. Yung mga items ng mga Chekwa, yun ang papasukin dito. Di ba? Ewan ko ba? Salot yata ng mundo yung bansa na yan. Laging naghahasik ng lagim talaga Warrants of seizure and detention were issued on July 23, 2025, and the shipments are now under forfeiture proceedings for the violation of Section 117, 1400, and 1401, and 11113. Ibig sabihin, 1113 of the Custom Modernization and Tariff Act, CMTA Republic Act number 11900, or the Vaporized Nicotine and Non-Nicotine Products Regulation Act and relevant departments of trade and industry, which is ang DTI regulation. Agay, agay, agay. Alam nyo itong vape na ito, mag-ingat kayo ha, mga kabataan. Ha? Delikado ito. Kung panay vape nyo, masisira yung lungs nyo. Sabi nga nila, no, parang mas matindi yata ito sa sigarilyo. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, ha? Ano bang benefit na makukuha niya dito? Pasikat-sikat lang eh. Kunwari, may astig. Jesus, Mariusip, sakit ang aabutin nyo dyan. Ha? Ingatan ng kalusugan. Kasi ang kalusugan, ika nga, health is wealth. Pag tayo nagkakasakit, ha? Wala na tayong hanap buhay. Wala eh. Siyempre, magkakasakit tayo. Paano tayo makahanap buhay? Kaya, ang kalusugan, sabi nga ng Pangulo, ingatan. Yan po ang pag-asa natin para tayo mabuhay. Ha? The BOC also undertaking a case build up to identify and prosecute those responsible, ensuring full accountability under the law. Commissioner Alier Nepomuceno F. Nepomuceno emphasized the importance of vigilance in addressing unlawful importation. Our operation are anchored on a whole of agency approach that the prioritize intelligence sweep, execution and illegal auction against those who attempt to evade custom law. And Commissioner said, MICP District Collector Salino, sabi dito guys, City Toralba reiterated the port's unrelenting commitment to enforcement, smuggling or operation involving vape products pose a significant health and economic risk. The MICP fully support the Commissioner's Ariel in safeguarding our borders and ensuring that only lawful and properly declared goods enter the country, he stated, advancing President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. vision of secure and transparent trade. The BOC intensifies enforcement efforts through stronger interagency coordination, data-driven risk management, and proactive intelligence to curb illicit trade. Agay, sabi po ng BOC. Ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Ang importante guys, talagang nakumpiska mga yan. Pag-aari pala ng chikwa yan. Mga salot talaga yan. Naghahasik ng lagim sa buong mundo. Ayaw nila magbayad ng napakalaking taxes. Ang dami yan guys. So, tingnan nyo naman yan. Malay mo itong mga vape na ito may halong mas matinding chemical, nakakasira ng baga, di ba? Mamaya may mga sabu pala yung laman, hindi natin alam. So ito po guys, matindi ito guys. Napakita natin ito yung mga highlights na iba. So yun guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates. See you again on my next upload. Bye 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 and baboos. God bless Philippines.